In this lecture, we're going to show how to work with angular dimensions. So let's go here to Smart Dimension. And let's put here angular dimension of this line. So we want to define an angle between this line and this horizontal line here, like this. But here we don't have a line. So how we can do this? So we can click on this line. We can go here and we can click on this point. And now here we have those arrows. And now we can go to this arrow here. Now it's orange. Let's click on this arrow. And now here we have 45 degrees. So we just added this line here. Let's click OK. Now let's go to Smart Dimension again. Let's define this angle here between this line and this line here, 60 degrees. And OK. And now, for example, we want to put this dimension like here, 60 degrees. To do that, we can go here, right click, and we can go Display Options. So we can go here, vertically opposite angle, like this, and now we got this result. As well, we can go right click, Display Options. We can go Offset Text, and now here we have a text like this. And we can move this and position wherever we want. Let's go right click, again, let's go Display Options. We can go with Show Parentheses, like this. Now let's go right click again, Display Options. We can go Explanatory Angle as well. And now we have an angle 300 degrees from this line here, horizontal, to this line here. So those are some basic techniques how you can work with angular dimensions.